Timber. In this video we will be looking at where timber comes from. The wood used by carpenters and joiners is obtained from the plants known as trees. In tropical countries, palms and grasses such as bamboo grow to great size, but the stems of these plants are unsuitable for timber. In temperate climates, most forest trees are of a quite different type, belonging either to the class which includes the oak, ash, beech, birch, etc., or to that known as the conifers, among which are the pines and firs. It is such trees alone which yield the timber used by woodworkers. Parts of a timber tree: the roots. A tree's roots anchor it to the earth. They absorb water and dissolve minerals from the soil. The trunk. This supports the tree and produces most of the useful wood that you can purchase at home and hardware stores. Leaves. These act as the factory of the tree. They convert the minerals and water to sugar and starches, which are the foods for timber growth. Parts of timber. The trunk of a timber tree consists of a pith, heartwood, sapwood, cambium layer, inner bark, outer bark, medullary rays and annual rings. The pith. This is the innermost central portion of a tree. Heartwood. This surrounds the pith and is dense, strong and durable. It is also generally darker in color. Sapwood. Sapwood surrounds the heartwood. It is lighter in color, softer and weaker than heartwood. This is the part of the tree used to make timber you can buy. Cambium layer. This layer surrounds the sapwood and if exposed can cause the tree to die. Inner bark. This is the first layer of defense for the cambium layer. Outer bark. This is the second layer of defense for the cambium layer. It also protects the tree from injury and weathering. Medullary rays. These are radial rays that can be found between the pith and the cambium layer. They connect the annual rings and transport sap. Annual rings. Annual rings are concentric layers of wood around the pith. Every year a tree will gain a ring. Tree to store. Timber trees are cut down and milled using heavy machinery such as this sawmill. The sawmill cuts timber boards oversized because the timber is still moist and as it dries out it will shrink. The timber is then shipped to manufacturers and home and hardware stores near you to purchase from. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.